talking about something to get you back. I ain't gonna lie. No wonder I quit working there a while ago. Run out of gas.
How about that?
I gotta sit down a minute. I'm about to die. Lord. I'm about. Well, I'll get you back that heavy saw, buddy.
He'll get you down.
That ain't no little Poland, buddy. That thing weighs a half a ton.
Half a ton.
Oh, Lord. That's why I'm 28 years old and here I got all these back problems and everything else. But I ain't what I used to be.
You're not?
No, sir. I used to get on and jump all around here, buddy, and do this and not even bat my eyes. Oh, Lord.